Good morning, seventh graders. Happy Friday. It's going to be a beautiful day and a beautiful weekend. I know I am looking forward to this weekend, Friday, today, tonight, listening to the Mona Shore Sailors take on the Muskegon Big Reds in varsity football. So I'm excited to listen and maybe watch it. So go Sailors. I'm excited. And then Saturday and Sunday are supposed to be beautiful. So I hope you can get out and enjoy the weather before it starts to get cold. So let's take a look at our agenda today. A couple things coming up. If you look for Chapter 1 ratios, proportional, and reasoning, we have a Chapter 1 test coming up, and that's going to be Wednesday next week. That's September 30th. So I put that in the reminders at the bottom of the agenda here as well, and I will continue to remind you over the next couple of days. So knowing there's a Chapter 1 test coming up next Wednesday, we will start preparing for that next week. On Monday, you'll get a study guide, a practice test that you'll be able to use to help you study to get ready for the test. And then Tuesday, we'll do a little more review to prepare you, and Wednesday will be the test. Now, to get prepared for that, also, all of your assignments have to be turned in by the time the test is on Wednesday. So what I mean by all of your assignments, so we have in Schoology all of these five, actually four, because the practice solving proportions, that was just a formative assessment. So the ones that are counting as assignments right now are the syllabus quick check, the lesson 1 and 2 quick check, chapter 1, lessons 4 and 5 quick check, and then the lesson 6 quick check that you did yesterday. All of those are assignments in the grade book right now. So if you have not completed one of those and you currently have a 0 in one of those assignments, it has to be completed by Wednesday. If it's not completed by Wednesday, the end of Chapter 1, then that 0 will remain. You are not able to redo or retake or complete any assignments past Chapter 1. So please make sure that you're checking your grades on those. And I will send an email reminder as well. And like I said, just keep talking to you about it over the next couple of days. So those have to be in, and as well as BuzzMath. So I know yesterday there were some issues with accessing some of the lessons in there, and I'm hoping it's resolved on my end. When I look at BuzzMath and I look at the lessons and the students that are completing them, I don't see any errors, but there must be some glitch that was going on yesterday, which really was a bummer because we wanted you to spend some time working through some BuzzMath and getting those done in class yesterday. So I'm hoping today, I set aside some time today for you also to work on it. But you also should, if you're behind on these 4, you should be working on them this weekend. You should be working on them Monday and Tuesday. You need to have these 4 done as well. These are participation grades, so that's also going in the grade book for Chapter 1. It has to be done by Wednesday. So if those aren't done by Wednesday, also you will have most likely either a 0 or a lower percentage grade if those aren't completed. So your quick checks in Schoology, please, and your BuzzMath for Chapter 1 all have to be done by Wednesday. So coming back here, we have one more lesson that we need to do. It's lesson 7. It's called constant rate of change. And so I will do a short lesson today with you on that. It doesn't take very long, and you're just going to really truly understand in that lesson that constant rate is the same as unit rate. It's just a different way of saying it. So it should be very familiar to you. You should be able to see a pattern, and it won't take long. Do you hear my dog in the background? Can't get quiet. So then, like I said, the time remaining today for BuzzMath, hopefully you have that time at the end of the hour. So the next thing that you're going to do is look at lesson 7 and finish your hour with BuzzMath. So have a wonderful Friday and have a great weekend, and we will see you on Monday.